In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a test order in online store Hostinger. So what we're going to have to do, let's say I would like to make a test order on this sample website. So what I'm going to have to do here is to go to the store settings. So to access store settings, you're going to have to go, if it's loading, we're going to have to wait a couple of seconds. If not, I'll just pause the video. And now from here, we're gonna have to go here to our online store. And then this is better, maybe. So here we're gonna click on Manage Store. And from here, let's go to Payments. And then here, we're gonna have to set up a payment. So if you do a test payment using your online card, okay, that way you're gonna have to actually pay. With the manual payment, you don't have to. So that's why I added actually a manual payment. Here, add a payment method at a checkout, and add some write some payment instructions for the user to understand how they're going to pay you. So yeah, do just that. And now we're gonna have to go to edit website. So here we're gonna have to add a testing product, right? To add a testing product, you're gonna have to go to your store page. We're gonna edit the products, actually just one, the testing product. If you couldn't create a new product, if you want to, but I already have a couple of sample products added by default there. When you add a store, Hostinger is going to add like some testing products. And now we're gonna have to go to online store from, sorry, not from store. We're gonna have to go to pages store, and we're gonna have actually the products, right? But actually, yeah, we can go to online store here in manage store. And then here we can check or create a sample product. So products, here add product, we can create a sample product. But I'm gonna choose here digital product, add a price, and so on. But I'll just use this one here. They already created $1. And as I said, if you use online payment, you're gonna have to pay $1 so you can see if it works. So you can receive in your orders. You can receive in your orders the order. Okay, so but yeah, with manual you don't have to. So let me show you now the process. So if I go back to edit website, if I go back here and I go to, so let's go to actually in update website, make sure you update your website, and you go to view site and store, and then I'm gonna click on test product, this product, add to bag, check out, and here I have a shipping method, let's say okay, and a shipping free, and then I'll add here some informations, testing information. This is just a sample email, city, whatever, just a testing, okay. And now here we have popular cash methods and cash at the door. So this is just the manual way. I don't have to actually pay even $1. I can just use, but if you want to test with this, you can. I'll just use this manual payment, right? And now when I go back to my website, to my online store, manage store, I'll click on manage store. Now here I should receive the order. Now it's gonna look different for you if you actually use the online payment, you paid it, so you see if it works. You can also ask a friend. That's another way. And now here in orders, let's see. Okay, we received, not paid, and you can click on this order. You're gonna see the customer email, the email they added, the address, the shipping, name. This is just a testing, that's just me. But here you can mark as a field, mark as paid. You have more actions here, create a cancel order, create invoice. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.